What if you could combine 3 everyday Macs into a single AI supercomputer capable of running massive 670 billion parameter frontier models locally? With XO, you can.
Frontier open-weights models like DeepSeek V3, Kimi K2, and Llama 405B are far too massive for any single consumer machine, immediately hitting memory limits.
XO solves this by pooling memory across devices over your local network, using peer-to-peer discovery and topology-aware layer sharding with zero manual configuration.
While standard Ethernet works, connecting your Macs via Thunderbolt 5 unlocks hardware RDMA, dropping inter-device communication latency by 99% down to just 8 microseconds.
On macOS Tahoe 26.2 or later, enable Thunderbolt's RDMA once by booting into recovery mode, opening Terminal, and executing RDMA, CTEL, Enable.
The easiest way to install is via Homebrew with Brew install Cask XO, which adds a background service, menu bar monitor, and automated network configuration.
If installing from source, use Astral's UV package manager with the MLX backend extra, and build the embedded web dashboard using Node.
Launching XO on all 3 machines triggers automatic peer election, assigning coordinator and worker roles while establishing secure peer-to-peer links.
Opening localhost 52415 displays your live cluster topology, mapping individual Mac memory pools, GPU activity, and active interconnect bandwidths.
Select any model from Hugging Face. XO automatically calculates the optimal memory placement and coordinates parallel downloads across every node.
During inference, tensor operations stream seamlessly across the cluster, delivering 32 tokens per second on models with hundreds of billions of parameters.
XO exposes standard OpenAI, Claude, and Ollama compatible endpoints on port 52415, allowing instant integration into open web UI, IDEs, and autonomous agent workflows.
Keep in mind that RDMA requires matching macOS versions across all nodes, and because the local API is unauthenticated by default, you should restrict access behind a firewall or private tailscale mesh.
By uniting consumer Apple Silicon with XO, distributed local AI supercomputing is now accessible right on your desk. Subscribe for more deep dive AI engineering tutorials.